What's going on, guys? It's your boy Shevon here, back with another video. Today we have Ampere is here. We got the ASUS TUF gaming graphics card, and this is the 3090. So the GeForce RTX 3090, the literally most powerful graphics card on the market right now. Now in this video, we're just gonna do the unboxing. I'm not Linus Tech Tips, I'm not Hardware Canucks, I don't have crazy benchmarks. My PC case needs to be changed. So today I'm just showing you guys the unboxing experience and what we get inside this thing right here. So this ran me around, here in Canada, 2,200 and something in Canada. It's crazy, and the resale value is nuts as well. So a quick backstory on this thing. There's literally just two available at Canada Computers, which is like a micro center here in Canada. There's literally two units, this one and a Gigabyte. I was the second person in line, so I snagged this thing. So no, ASUS didn't send me or anything. I was just super lucky. I was there for like 5 hours camping out. But yeah, without any further ado, let's jump on into the unboxing. Alright guys, so this is the box we get. I'm sure you saw all the B-rolls already, but just off like overall aesthetics and how this thing looks, it's not bad. It's not fancy with RGBs or anything, but this graphics card is powerful. I know it's not like made for only gaming. I know it's like not the best card in terms of value for performance, but I missed out on the 3080, so I had to cop the 3090. But yeah, let's hop on to unboxing, guys. There we go. And I guess we just slide this out. Ooh, so I have this nice ASUS box. This looks like almost like a laptop box in my opinion. We have this gold accents on it that says ASUS. This is the TUF gaming series, so it's like bare minimum in terms of aesthetics and all of that. Alright, let's go. Boom. Remove this right here. And here is the card. And literally that's all you really get. I'm sure. Oof, it's kind of heavy. Damn, that's heavy. We also have a little paperwork under here. If I could show you guys. So we get some paperwork, nothing too serious. Certificate, all that stuff. We don't really need all of that right now. We just want to look at the card. So this is the card, guys. It's super thick. It comes in this nice packaging. Let's open this bad boy up. Yo, this card is huge. Oh, it smells nice too. Look at this beauty. Oh my god. This card is insane. Guys, just look how thick the card is, man. So this card doesn't really have a lot of RGB or anything crazy, but I know this TUF logo lights up, and also the TUF gaming has a light right here, like a little light strip. But aside from that, look at the heatsink. This is a crazy heatsink right here, if you guys could see it. So we have the pins right here. Is it 16 pin? I think 8 to 8, 16. Yeah, 16 pin right here. If I'm wrong, please correct me. As I said before, I'm not Linus Tech Tips or anything. At the back we have the TUF gaming and all of that, but this is a very nice card. And also on the side we have all the ports, 3 display ports. But man, you can already see how thick the card is. That's just what I'm thinking. This definitely can't fit into my PC case right now. The PC case I have is very small. But yes, guys, this was just a quick unboxing of the ASUS TUF gaming graphics card. Let me know what you think about this. I won't hook it up to my PC yet because, as I said before, my PC case is very small, so I can't go ahead and do that. But I just thought I would share the experience with you guys. And also, let me know down below in the comments your experience with pre-ordering all the new graphics card from Nvidia, and also the aftermarket people like ASUS, EVGA, all that stuff. Let me know what your favorite card is. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. I will do a PC build when I do my new PC build with this card, so I get a new case, new fans, new all that, new motherboard and everything. But yes, guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like down below. Comment if you're new, subscribe, and as always, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.